Mr. Mainit. Oh, I got handles. Quicker. I'll show you. I got Mainit. Let's go. The bounce. Easy. Bounce. Uh-oh. You'll be on track.
Yo, what's up mga ka-bowlers? For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Imprint Custom. And syempre, manonood tayo ng TXT game na binuo ng Imprint Custom, ang Night Bike Asia, and Filipino Mixtape. So yun, supportahan natin, panonoorin natin ang game ng mga kaibigan natin street bowlers. Si Bounce, si Reaper, si Amaze Basketball, and Mr. Mainit. So yun, mga ilang minutes na lang, sunod na sila sa game na to. Sa akin mga ka-bowlers, interview natin si Mr. Mainit kasi in a few minutes mag-i-start na yung game nila. Okay, kita nyo magpapainit na talaga yan. Sir, Mr. Mainit, ito sa tropa natin. Anong abangan natin sa game natin mamaya?
Panigurado, dapat mainit tayo.
Siyempre, mainit talaga.
Mainit talaga dapat.
So yun, nasuporta tayo, manonood tayo sa game nila. Idol ko to sa sa depensa talaga.
Let's go.
Banking game na.
Let's go. Salamat man.
Sige. Mga ka-bowlers, dito isa sa mga streetball legend kasama natin syempre. Bounce. So ayun, Bounce, ano nga abangan natin sa game?
Mamaya kahit kuya tayo, syempre titig pa tayo lagi, always naman din.
So ayun, a few minutes, manonorin natin ng live yung game nila. Syempre abangan nyo yung highlights.
Ano yung magic yan?
Ang nagpauso ng trick shot, nakamalupit mag-freestyle, Amaze Basketball.
Yun o, shoutout kay Bolasla.
Amaze Basketball, anong abangan natin sa 3-on-3 na laban nyo kasi ilang minuto na lang simula na.
Okay, ito, excited kami. Siyempre, maglalaro ulit kami. And soon, abangan nyo, si Kuya Asla maglalaro din yan.
Ano kayo, hugot?
Hugot. Yun o, follow nyo Bolasla.
Bro, may request ako sa'yo. Abangan ko yung request. Bowlers, ang huling-huli natin yung interview ang pinagkakaguluhan niya sa social media ng street bowler. The Reaper, anong abangan natin ngayon na highlights na malupit sa game nyo?
Tapos, the first game namin, talo kami, nakahabol lang kami kasi nung mga 2 points ni Kuya Bounce and medyo maalat ako yung time na yun. Ngayon, tatry natin bumawi.
Wild card game.
Yes, wild card. Natalo kami pero kami yung pinakamataas na score. Kaya ngayon, meron kami ulit isang game, hopefully manalo kami. At yun, syempre, huwag nyo kalimutan, follow Bolasla.
May talagang kayo pinunta ko, support talaga. Bowlers, kasama natin ngayon ang legendary MC, ang boses ng streetball sa Pinas.
Loudmouth. Parang nakakatanda
Yung Loudmouth. Bale, ito one legend naman eh. So boss Al, maraming salamat at nakapunta ako dito.
Kasi, naman papasalamat ng legend na Bolasla. Parang naglalaro ng PlayStation 5 kapag siya ang naglalaro.
Nandito kasi ako, supporta ang Filipino Mixtape. Manonood ako ng highlights kasi nakakamiss yung mga ganitong event eh, mga street ball talaga eh. Siyempre kasama natin si Reaper, isa sa pinagkakaguluhan yung social media.
Pero i-clear ko lang the Filipino Mixtape is everybody Every Bolasla is a Filipino Mixtape, kaya ka Pilipino eh. So, we're planning to, we're actually looking we are looking for the best street bowler dito sa page ni Bolasla. If you think you have what it takes, if you think you can be like Bolasla or more than Bolasla, we want you. And we'll be forming a super team. Competing not here, not hindi sa probinsya, o hindi sa dayo-dayo kung saan. We're going fly out of the country. So yun, abangan nyo. We want that. We have what it takes. We want you in the team. We want Bolasla. Bolasla will be on the team. We want us to be our teammates. We want to fly out. We want to compete to other bowlers outside, other street bowlers. And maybe we'll meet at the Rocker Park. Abangan nyo yan, abangan nyo yan.
Kailangan ko nang i-renew yung passport ko.
Di pa ba?
Hindi pa nare-renew.
Ayan. Yun naman na, syempre. If you want to be part of the team, you should have a passport.
Shoutout nga pala kay Sir Loudmouth. Binigyan niya ako ng gift na, na riding jersey, Imprint Custom. Shoutout sa Imprint Custom and Filipino Mixtape. Download na tayo ng live game ng Filipino Mixtape.
Let's go! Will. Again. Let's go, Team Purple.
Oh, I got handles. I'll show you against the 3 bowlers. Oh, what a play! Mr. Eden drives in. Almost counted.
Basketball.
Mr. Eden, Charity. There's it. White team still got no score. Bounce pushing in. And there you go, 6-2. Silvania versus Mr. Mainit. Rosel versus the Reaper. The speed versus Purple. Bounce, pushing in, using power. No, rebound Mr. Mainit. Follow through. Guevara, grabe. Mr. Mainit, let's go. The bounce, he's the basket on that. Rosel using the speed against the Reaper. Silvania, no, Guevara. Rosel, rebound by Bounce. We got Reaper. Let's go. Good D by Rosel. Mr. Mainit. 3, 2, 1. Dali D pa. We got Bounce. Bounce using his power on it. No, Bounce on the rebound. Follow
And
through.
one.
It's counted.
And 1.
Bad Reaper. I'm coming back at you. Reaper to Bounce. Uh-oh. You'll be on trouble against Bounce. Shot clock. Team right, Mr. Mainit. Spin. Mr. Mainit. Rosel still got the speed. Rosel attacking on the right. Silvania taking deep breath. Rosel, a prayer. Bounce, rebound. Check ball by Amaze basketball shot. We're fighting that Asian.
Mag-push masyado dun, madulas dun.
Labas. 17.
Ilalim isa.
Team Purple.
Points!
And a shot. No.
Labas agad na ito.
Amaze basketball checking in the ball. Shot.
Max. Nice one.
Bang!
Nasa yun ang swerte.
13-17. Rosel. Oh,
Mark.
baby. 19.
Oh, depensa!
Oh, let's go, Rosel.
Ano kasi walang depensa, no?
So ayun mga ka-bowler, it was a good game. Ayan, kasama natin si Bounce. Ayun, bawi na lang next time.
Bawi tayo.
Yan talaga basketball eh. Panalo, may talo.
Natin panalo kahit pero digsigan pa rin, dumigma tayo kahit ganun nangyari. Para sa kanya talaga yun.
Pag ganun natatalo, dapat ensayo, practice kung ano yung kulang. So yun, congrats pa rin sa Filipino Mixtape kasi wild card game yung nilaro nila. So yun, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa game na napanood nyo yung Ball Hustler. Peace out.